Hello folks, this is Big J. So this is my weekly review video as usual. So this week I completed my day 15 of 90 of the 90 days challenge where I choose to follow my rules. Here are the rules I want to follow. One trade per day, three trades per week, fixed risk management, no over trading and event trading, and meditate and journal each trading section. As you can see so far, I've been following my rules. This journey, I said it so that I would be a consistent, disciplined trader who follows his rules. So this week I executed three times. So these are the trades I executed. Should I go to the chart? Okay. So first of all, my first trade was on, I guess on Tuesday. I marked the wrong key level. I marked this as my order block, forgetting the fact that this is the right order block. You can check my daily review video which I dropped on Tuesday. So I did this, expected a buy here. I was taken out, so it was an SL. Then on Wednesday, I think I had a buy here as well. This was the previous day low. This was my key level. This was my key level. Let me go to the um, my journal so we can see it clearly. Yeah, see. Yeah, yeah, this is the Wednesday trade. As you can see, this was the previous day low and a liquidity purge. This was my entry. I entered. The price took me out before adding to my position. Then, I did everything right on this Wednesday trade. So the loss it was a normal loss, but it was painful. You know that part where you did the right thing, but you still lost. So yeah. Then coming into Thursday, I don't know where I should go. Coming into Thursday, I had a liquidity point. This is my setup, but this was outside my trading section. Now, something happened during this 1 a.m. London section on Thursday, 1 a.m. New York time anyway. So, we already had this liquidity point here, but it was outside my trading section. This candle down formed as an order block. Yeah, it worked as an order block. Engineering this cell. This was my setup. I was supposed to be my setup, but I missed it. So because I missed it, I went on that Thursday to go first in trade. So after missing the initial move, this was the dump trade I went for, and boom, price took me out. So that's the three trades I executed this week. And then on that Thursday, here's the funny thing. After I forced the trade that gave me the loss, price now formed a liquidity purge, which was my initial setup. And gave me a clean move, but I've already exceeded my daily um, trade per day and already exceeded my max trade per week, meaning my um, Trading ended on Thursday because I don't want to break my rule. I'm constantly focused on following my rule. So as you can see over here, oh, right, well. So yeah, I'm back. So as you can see, I've been following my rule regardless of the PNL. What has been my priority these days is just to follow my rules. And some of this there's this notion we traders get wrong. We don't think that when you said I want to be consistently profitable or consistently disciplined, it means you will not face losses or you will not have days of drawdown. No, consistency is when you still show up, regardless of that 3 weeks drawdown, regardless of that drawdown you had or that loss you had previously. Discipline is tested when you're on losing streaks, not on winning streaks. It's also tested on winning streaks, but it's more tested on losing streaks when you are down emotionally and everywhere, but then you still choose to um, follow your rule. So as you can see, I discovered that this good-funded calendar is kind of based on the time zone and everything. Tuesday trade shows under Monday, Wednesday trade shows under Tuesday, and then Thursday trade shows under Wednesday. As you can see, these are the three trades I executed this week. There's no faking. So I think that will be all. As you can see, my 90 days challenge. Following my rules so far. So yeah, I've already reset and ready for the new week. So we'll go again next week. And this is a reminder that in the next 6 months, when you'll be watching this video, I will already be a consistent, disciplined trader who follows his edge. So yeah, hang on and join me on this journey as I document my way into being the type of trader I wanna be. Thank you.